Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Camazing. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time seeing this beautiful chocolate face, do not be scared, Terry. Subscribe and join the Terry gang, squad, what have you. And while you're at it, don't be shy. Follow me on my social media accounts to be listed up above just for you and in the description box just for you. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for supporting your girl, keeping the edges laid and the tuition paid. Amen. Now, by the title, you already know what's about to go down. You already know what I'm about to do. I'm going to try this new trend I've been seeing going around. Well, it's actually old now, but it's new to my channel. I'm going to be trying the jhericurl trend, girl. And yeah, like, I'm just excited to see what happens to my hair, see if it works or not. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm back and the hair is wet and now I feel icky. And this is going to be kind of like a stretch wash and go because I did not put it on my roots because I didn't want to. Like, I just didn't want to because it's going to take longer to dry. But anyway, for today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Luster's Xtreme Curl and Wave Activator Gel. Wait, Curl and Wave Gel Activator. And this is how the product looks. It's blue, like so. This is stuff I use to do like jerry curls and stuff with. And I saw it on Instagram and I was like, I want to try that. But to be quite honest with you, I had to wait a little bit because I didn't know what type of chemicals was in this, so I decided to let other people go first. And now we're here. No one has come out with a my hair is ruined video, so now we're gonna try it too. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using for my hair, and we're about to get this popping wash and go, hopefully. I'm gonna be using the Camille Rose Moisture Milk to go along with this product. I'm using this because this is like the only leave-in that mixed well with the other stuff when I did it on my hand, so this one I'm gonna be using. And if the gel isn't as strong as I want it to be, I'm going to go in with the Xtreme Wetline. We're just gonna see how this goes. Okay, so this is my first section and I'm actually gonna wet it some more with the water. And I'm not really a wash and goer type of gal, but I do kind of think I know how to do a wash and go. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the Camille Rose stuff on there just to make sure my hair is moisturized. Now I'm going to go in with the curl juice stuff. I just want my hair to be like Pinky's off of Fridays because his hair was, but this is how it looks coming out. It's not thick at all and it's blue, which is my favorite color. So like it's like more water based than anything. So I'm just gonna get that in my hands, warm it up for some reason, and apply it to my hair. And the smell of it actually reminds me of like baby oil and something else. Like, I don't know why, but that's what it reminds me of. And this is how it's looking like. I watched Jess use it and our hair is kind of like the same, so hopefully it makes some shake with my curls, but like it's kind of defining it. So my hair feel like it's gonna be wet for the next 5 days. That looks promising, but I know it won't last and I kind of want to get good pictures. So I'm gonna go in with the Wetline Gel, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take the Wetline Gel. I just put a little bit on there. I'm just gonna like rake it through. Once again, I'm not a wash and goer, but I feel like I know how to make my curls pop. So, and this is what you call popping kinky. Like, I know y'all see that defa who? Defa what? Definition. Like, do y'all see that? I know y'all see it, so I ain't gonna even ask y'all because y'all see it. Okay, I feel like it works better with the gel for my hair because my hair is thicker. It needs a little bit more love to get her to, you know, pump up, and the Wetline gave her that. So I'm just gonna use the Wetline and the juice stuff, and I'm just gonna put this all over my hair, go section by section. You already know the drill. And yeah, get this wash and go popping. I don't want to touch it because I heard that does something to it too. You touch it a lot. And yeah, this is my method. Like, I don't know what's this called. They said the praying hands method. I do it like this and I let it drop and I kind of separate it a little bit, so when it dries, like, it can be like, you know, more separated. I don't know. I need to learn how to do wash and goes better, to be quite honest. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And you guys already know what you can do. You can listen to this non-copyrighted music while I put this juice on my hair and get like Pinky.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call.
Okay, so I'm back and I'm done with half of my head. I'm gonna do the other half off camera, but like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see it on my fingers where like the product isn't mixing as well. And like, I don't know why it mixed well on my hand the other night, but you know, maybe it's just doing something else on my hair, I don't know. But these are my curls, and all I gotta say is, Pinky, you better watch out. I feel like this is gonna be a good wash and go, and I don't think I can give it to the JHERI stuff because I think this wet line is saving it. I'm gonna come back when I'm done. My hair is like fully coated with all of the product, and I'll be right back because my storage matters. So I'm back and my hair is fully coated and all of the stuff, and this is how my hair is looking like. We're not gonna act like y'all saw that. Nothing else needed. Anyways, this is my hair and I'm gonna show you guys the back. I don't know how it looks, so if it look bad, don't say nothing. I feel like I got inches. I hope it's all in the video. Okay, but yeah, so this is my hair. I'm going to let this dry down like, you know, normal wash and go. But before I do that, I am going to get some Aquafina, and I'm just going to spray that all over my hair because I really hate a gel. Slow down. I really hate a gel cast. I'm going to spray a little bit of water all over my hair, and I'm going to go back in with this because it's water based. And I'm just going to do this just to solidify everything, just to try to eliminate as much gel cast as possible. Enough of that. I'm just going to come back when all this is dry, and y'all gonna see the results. Okay, so I am back and it is the next day, and as you can see, this wash and go did not disappoint. Like, I think the results speak for themselves. Even these parts up here got into somewhat formation, so you can just call me Pinky on Friday because this jhericurl stuff, this might be something, because I did notice that my hair wasn't as crunchy as it would be if I had just used Eco Style or something else. I feel like this is like a good primer before you go into like the wash and go thing. Like after you put on leave-in, put this to prime, and your wash and goes will be bomb and soft. Like, I know y'all see this definition. Are we gonna act like we don't? Because sorry, can't hear you of all this volume. On the S Luster Curl and Wave Gel Activation. You know how like you prime makeup before you put, no, you know how you prime your face before you put on makeup so it will look like more seamless or whatever? I feel like this is that for wash and goes, because I don't know what's in here. It just made my hair feel so much more wet, not weighed down, but just wet. And when I put the when I put the wet line on, it was just a wrap for the non-definition, and the definition had to come. But yeah, these are my results, and they came out so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. If you see the red button, make it gray and subscribe. And if you want to see even more of my beautiful chocolate face, do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts so it lifts it up above just for you. I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah.